Hi guys, it's Kat. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and nothing says Thanksgiving to me quite like a rustic farmhouse dining table. This is a pretty simple build with just a few supplies needed. Before we jump in, this video is done in collaboration with 4 other miniature channels. Karen from Crack and Make Ruckus made this delicious looking Thanksgiving dinner. Ara at Bentley House Minis made a Nightmare Before Thanksgiving themed dinner. Kat at Real Life Dollhouse Miniatures made this aquatic inspired resin dining set. And Leia from Fatal Potato made the super creative mutant meat dinner. Make sure to check out their videos linked in the info box below. Let's jump into the tutorial. The first thing I need is a wood slat. This wood is super light and about a 1/4 inch thick. I need 6.5 inches in length, so I mark a line there. Then use an X-Acto knife to cut into that line on both sides. Make sure the cuts go pretty deep. Then just snap the excess wood off. Mark lines down the slat lengthwise 3/4 of an inch apart. This will be the width of each plank. Cut them apart so you have 4 planks total. I randomly cut off some of the edges of each plank to give them a more realistic, worn down look. Time for some color. To make a brown stain, I take some dark brown acrylic paint and mix it with water. Paint that onto the wood in thin layers. I cover the edges and the back. When the paint is dry, glue the planks back together with wood glue. When the tabletop is dry, add a coat of polyacrylic varnish for some gloss and some protection. Let's build the iconic farmhouse legs. We need assorted square dowels in varying sizes. The main structure will be made of these thick 1/3 of an inch square dowels. I use a miter handsaw and cut one end at a 45-degree angle. Measure the bottom at a 3-inch mark and cut another 45-degree angle going in the opposite direction. Make 2 of these. Cut 2 more of these that are 2 3/4 of an inch long. Then make some straight cuts from the same thick dowel to get a 2-inch length. You'll also need 2 of these. Grab a 1/5 of an inch thick square dowel for the final pieces. Cut a 1 3/8 of an inch with 45-degree angle ends. You'll need 4 of these for each leg, so make 8 in total. Lastly, take a standard popsicle stick. Cut a 2 3/8 of an inch length. The popsicle stick is a bit too wide, so I mark a thin sliver and cut it off. To summarize, this is what you need for one leg. 1 thick angle cut 3 inches long, 1 thick angle cut 2 3/4 of an inch long, 1 straight cut 2 inches long, 1 piece of the popsicle stick, and 4 of the thin angle cuts. Assemble them into this shape. Start with the longest stick at the bottom. Add a popsicle stick on top of it. Add the straight cut piece vertically to the center. Add the shorter wide stick above that, and then assemble the 4 thin sticks as support. I use wood glue for a strong hold. Make 2 of these legs. Now the last piece you need is a 1/4 inch thick square dowel cut 5 inches long. Glue one end to the center of one leg and the other end to the other leg. This is looking pretty cool. Almost done, guys. Now we just need to paint this leg base white. You can go for an opaque look or thin out the paint for a whitewash effect. Once that's dry, add some wood glue to the top of the legs and then add on your tabletop. All done. Now you can add your Thanksgiving food minis to this gorgeous table. I can't wait to stage it for a big feast. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see for this holiday season. I'll see you next time. Bye.